Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this Monday, the 16th of March, for a recap of the day trading. Well, you can see there's a few circles here, and those of you who watch know what that means. We took a short here out of the gate. That one worked out well for 1 point. Of course, it came back. We were never able to get the 2 out of the runner, so we were out break even on that. The second trade we took, we were out with minus 1 point. We were able to put a 1 point stop instead of 2, and you can see that didn't go its way until we got stopped, and then actually it did. But that's why we use stops. And then we had a third, excuse me, at 10:30, and that one did get our 1 point in here. We got the 2 points, and we were done the trade before it even was up any higher based on that. So those were the 3 morning trades. We did have one at 225, which I'll show you. This one here was just outside our requirements of our 2 point stop here. We're not able in, and actually we believe we were looking at another trade, a different type of trade at the time also, but we flipped over to that quickly, and that did not meet the requirements. During lunchtime, which wasn't here trading, this would have had a trade right there that would have worked out for a point. And then here's our other short that we took that was successful later in the afternoon on the 1K. Now let's take a look at our 3K chart. Okay, here's our 3K chart, our entry. We got in, got our 2 points fairly quickly. Normally what we do is we bring our stop to entry. I default to smaller contract size holders, so our stop was right there at entry, and you can see we got stopped out to the tick. Actually, we were stopped out here on this one. So we got our 2 points, we were out. We would have had our 5 point runner here, and as a recap, we go for, it's a 1-to-1, so this one we had 2 point stop, so it was a 2 point target, 2, 5, and 10, and or manage it following the trailing line. And you can see that anybody trading multiple contracts, if we weren't stopped out, we'd have had a 13 point runner, but woulda, shoulda, coulda. We didn't get it, but that's just to show you out to the tick. Mr. Market was not kind to us today. Okay, I'm going to go over the record after. We had a one scale that worked, one didn't. Had a counter trend that worked, and then one that didn't. Let me show you the one that didn't. This one we got run right over. We were right down into some support areas, coming down for the counter trend. Divergence set in, caught the trade right here, and you can see it never let up. We were in, we're going sideways from about a minus 2 to 3 ticks for quite a while. It broke, hung in here a little bit, thought we might get some relief and come back up, and then we were taken out on 2 points. So this was our only 2 point loss for the day. The other 2 that we had were 1 point losses. So we ended up 5 and 3 today. Unfortunately, 1 2 point stop, and then we had 2 at 1 point, and the rest. So trading 3 contracts, one would be to the plus side of $200 with a 5 and 3 record and a net of 2 points. So if you're trading 1 contract, it would have been 100. Still a positive day, but very, very tough. Price action was very difficult today, sideways most of the day until the end of the day. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thanks for joining Uncle Mike, and I will see you tomorrow night after trading.